Hello everybody, it's time for bed. Oh, hi Goose. I'm gonna go get you guys some food and then I'm gonna tuck you all in. The food they get is Purina Flock Razor Crumble. They'll get this for a couple more months and then they'll move on to the laying feed. This is nutritional yeast that I'm adding. It gives them a bunch of niacin, keeps their bones healthy. They only need that for another month or so and then I can get them off it. Finish with croutons. That is delicious. Oh, we're stoked. Well, everybody, you all have a wonderful night. All right, everybody, I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Get your beauty rest. Oh, somebody just sneezed? That was cute. Good night, everybody.